Okay, so the next question says, what by consensus among economists are the broad factors for economic growth? And so this is probably referring to like the production function, which is saying what are things that contribute to overall production. And we know those to be your factors of production. And those factors are labor, entrepreneurship, and capital, and then also technology overall, right? And so we would write the function as productivity. The function of productivity is a function of t times the t times like land, capital, labor, and entrepreneurship, something like that, I believe. So where land, capital, labor, and entrepreneurship are your factors, and technology is your ability to combine those factors into productive goods. So by consensus, the broad factors for economic growth are going to be these five things: technology, land, capital, labor, and entrepreneurship. Let's take a look at what the previous tutor said. So they said that economic growth is achieved through increased quality and quantity of the factors of production, which consists of land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. Land, labor, yep, okay. These factors of production are the resources used to create or manufacture a good or service in an economy, yep. Improving the efficiency of the factors of production can lead to the creation of more goods at a higher quality and perhaps at a lower price. Economic growth results from the enhancement of factors of production. This is clearly demonstrated when an economy undergoes industrialization or other technological revolutions. Improved economic growth raises the standard of living by lowering costs and raising wages. So we're going to add in that the technology, they mentioned technological revolutions, but we want to explicitly know that technology is also going to be a factor that affects economic growth. Okay, and other than that, the solution is correct.